Hello there YouTube, this is Joel from Jones's Auto Club, and today is a great day. We are going to be talking about the NV4500 transmissions, so please stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. In front of me here are two brand new, yes, brand new, not rebuilt, not remanufactured, 100% brand new NV4500s that are in stock and ready for your project. So I searched high and low for these transmissions, and I finally was able to contact a company that's been rebuilding transmissions for 20 plus years, and we put together these brand new NV4500 packages, and I'm offering them to you guys through our Adventure Vehicles Northwest website. Links for these transmissions will be posted in the video as well as in the description. So anyway, let's get right down to it, and we'll talk about some of the cool features about these new transmissions. So like I said, they are brand new. There is no remanufactured parts in here. New case, new shifter tower, and the awesome part about it is that they can be configured with multiple input and output setups. So the two that you see here both have the 1¼ Dodge style later model pattern, hole pattern for the bell housing input shaft. So you can run a big clutch. This one right here on my left with the tag, it is set up with a full updated cast iron extension housing that is applicable for the Chevrolet application. It's got a 32 spline output, the cast iron extension housing that's ready to go. They're configured in obviously four-wheel drive setups. This one right here is 100% Dodge truck. So if you have a Dodge truck that originally came with an NV4500, or you are trying to swap one, this is the transmission that you would want to purchase. It is set up with the 1¼ input as well as the 29 spline Dodge output. It also has the full cast iron, updated transfer case extension housing, as well as all of the upgrades to the fifth gear problems that these are notorious for, and the main shafts. So these, like I said, are ready to go, ready to bolt into your vehicle, and they come with several different options. Like for you Land Cruiser guys, or the guys that have a pretty significant dash, you can special order them with a short throw shifter automatically installed, ready to go. You can also order them without any extension housing at all. You just need to contact me and we'll put it together. So again, these are not imported from China, so no China imports. Yes, some of the parts are, but they are assembled and tested here in the United States from an extremely reputable transmission rebuilder / wholesaler. So go check out our website at Adventure Vehicles Northwest, and follow the links in the descriptions, and place your order for these today. We have them in stock. They are ready to ship. Thanks for watching.